Boost your productivity and earnings. 12 secret AI-powered websites with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can save you hours of time at work. But most people don't know how to boost productivity. 12 secret websites powered by AI to make productivity machine and earn $. 1. Audio read. If you have endless read later articles, documents, etc., you'll love this AI tool. Turn articles, PDFs, emails, etc. into podcasts and listen to them while you exercise, commute, run errands, etc. Try for free. http://audioread.com. Two. Taskaday. Build a second brain for your teams with this amazing AI tool. Taskaday lets you build a second brain for your teams and increase your productivity by 10x. http://taskaday.com. Three. Ad Copy AI. The first AI copy tool built to drive more clicks and conversions for digital advertisers is here. 1. Unlimited outputs for your campaigns. 2. Find winning variations in lightning speed. 3. Copy and paste any ad for a new variation in seconds. http://adcopy.ai. 4. Snack Prompt. Ready to take your ChatGPT prompts to the next level? Introducing Snack Prompt. Snack Prompt makes finding/using ChatGPT prompts super easy. It's like Reddit but for ChatGPT prompts. Check it now. http://snackprompt.com. Five. What's GPT? What's GPT is an AI-powered messaging tool that offers a personalized messaging experience across all platforms, including 1. WhatsApp. 2. Telegram. 2. Facebook. http://whatsgpt.me. Six. Tool Builder. Tool Builder is a platform that allows users to build and discover our web apps without coding. http://toolbuilder.ai. Seven. Interview Prep AI. Are you tired of the stress and anxiety that comes with preparing for a job interview? Interview Prep AI is your personal AI job interview coach that helps you ace your next interview. http://interviewprep-ai.com. Eight. Easel. Use AI to automatically organize your Google Docs, Notion pages, and other work documents. Easel organizes it all, right in your new tab. Best of all, it's free, doesn't compromise on privacy, and you don't even need to log in to try it. http://get.esl.app/ht. 9. Hyperwrite. Hyperwrite is a personal writing helper that creates material for writing ideas, greatly simplifying the work of writers. Hyperwrite created a text-to-image section on its website in addition to the writing aid feature. http://hyperwriteai.com. Poised AI Poised. This AI tool helps you improve your public speaking skills with live feedback in your virtual meetings. Learn to decrease filler words, speak with more confidence and clarity, and become a powerful storyteller. http://poised.com. 11. Nero AI. Use this AI enlarge, improve, and clean up your photos. This tool helps you increase image resolution without losing quality. http://ai.nero.com/image-upscaler. 12. Beatoven. Want to create music? Beatoven uses advanced AI techniques to compose unique music for free. Try it now. http://beatoven.ai.